Are you a product or a customer on Facebook? If you are using it for free, Facebook is selling your data and making money off of you. But what if we turned the tables and made it so Facebook pays you directly? Facebook is pouring billions into the creator economy to compete with YouTube. In this video, I will show you a full course on how to build a page, make videos go viral, and collect money from Facebook directly into your bank account. Follow along until the end. How are you? I have prepared a step-by-step guide on how to earn money from Facebook in an easy way. First, if you are new to this channel, become part of our family by subscribing. Turn on notifications so that you receive videos like this every time. This is a short course to help you from start to finish. Step 1. How to create an account. First, you must have a private profile. Download the Facebook app or go to facebook.com. Click Create New Account. Fill in your name, phone or email, date of birth, and gender. Enter a strong password. Verify your account with the code sent to your phone. Step 2. Changing your profile to professional mode. To upload a video on Facebook, you can tap the plus symbol sign at the top. To earn money, you must switch your profile to professional mode or create a Facebook page. Go to your profile. Click the 3 dots icon. Select Turn on Professional Mode. This will show you a dashboard, which helps you see your number of followers and views. Step 3. Content creation, quality of material. For Facebook to pay you, you must prepare things people like. Reels, short videos, under 60 seconds. These bring you followers very quickly. Videos, longer videos, over 3 minutes, containing education or entertainment. Original content. Stop copying videos made by other people. There is only payment if the content is your own. Don't forget to subscribe. Step 4. Monetization criteria. To earn money from Facebook, you must meet the following criteria. Followers. Have at least 5,000 followers. Watch time. Your videos must have a total of 60,000 minutes viewed within 60 days. Policy. Do not violate Facebook's rules, community standards. This means no uploading violent videos, insults, or content belonging to others. Step 5. Set up payout. After you meet the criteria, Facebook will send you a notification to set up. Go into your professional dashboard click monetization. Click Set Up on Stars, Ads on Reels, or in-stream ads. Enter your full name, as it appears on your passport or ID, your address, and your TIN, tax identification number. Bank account. Fill in your bank details, including the bank SWIFT code, so the money can reach you. Step 6. Ways to earn. Ads on Reels. You get paid from ads that appear on your short videos. In-stream ads. From ads that appear on longer videos. Stars. People who like your videos buy and send you stars. Brand partnership. Companies pay you to create advertisements for them. Important advice. Post daily, to get Facebook to promote you to people. Upload at least 1 reel a day. Avoid copyright. Stop bringing videos from TikTok or using music that you don't have the rights to. This work requires patience, but if you persevere, it has great rewards. Good luck. If you want a full course on YouTube automation, it is available on my channel. Go and check it out. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.